Hey everyone, Blake Mitchell here. Today we are going to be unboxing Dell's most powerful 13-inch XPS laptop, the XPS 13 Plus. Let's start with the box. Dell is taking measurable steps towards a more sustainable future with their all-new packaging for the Dell XPS 13 Plus, which is made from 100% recycled or renewable content. We'll start by opening up this protective box to find the XPS 13 Plus. At 2.71 pounds and 0.6 inches thin, this is very light and compact when you consider the performance packed into this device, which we'll talk about a little later. It's very impressive what they were able to do with the engineering. Underneath the laptop, you'll find your accessories, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, 3.5mm headset adapter, along with a 60-watt USB-C power adapter and charging cable. Getting back to the XPS 13 Plus, it has a gorgeous 13-inch Infinity Edge display with a 91.9% screen-to-body ratio for an immersive working and viewing experience. There are 4 display options, including UHD Plus and OLED options, all supported by eye-safe technology, which limits your harmful blue light emissions while keeping colors vibrant. From Teams meetings to movie binges, enjoy Dell's new quad speaker design as well, providing you with a louder, broader range of sound than offered on previous models. With Express Sign-In paired with Windows Hello, your presence is detected or lack thereof to quickly and securely sign you in or out of your laptop. As we make our way down, we reach the sleek, modern zero-lattice keyboard. With less space between the keys are able to be slightly larger than your average keyboard. The top row is a backlit capacitive touch function row, letting you easily switch from media keys to function keys, so you only see the icons you care about. This is a nice touch as it provides a clean, simple experience. Finally, we reach the seamless glass touchpad. It uses haptic responses to make it feel like I am clicking a classic trackpad. I can't feel where the touchpad begins or ends, yet it is incredibly responsive and highly precise. One of the ways this laptop simplifies your workday is by refining the ports to a single Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port on either side. This provides a clean look, and Dell provides a number of USB-C adapters in the box with your purchase. Remember when I brought up sustainability earlier? Dell didn't stop at the packaging. For the first time, the XPS 13 Plus is utilizing low-carbon aluminum in the chassis, reducing the carbon footprint created through manufacturing. Dell says this is their most powerful 13-inch XPS laptop, and for good reason, as they claim it can be up to 2 times as powerful as its predecessors. Much of this performance is due to better thermal management. Dell says there is 55% more airflow provided by larger fans, allowing it to be more powerful than its predecessors, but equally quiet. It takes advantage of the 12th gen Intel Core processors and the latest battery technology, delivering long-lasting battery life and a lightweight design. You can even charge up to 80% in less than an hour with Express Charge. One benefit to purchasing the XPS 13 Plus, Dell is offering 1 year of premium support to match your premium laptop. To top it all off, this powerful productivity laptop is equipped with Windows 11. From calm, simple user interface to snap layouts helping you organize your windows, Windows 11 helps you make your workday modern and simple too. And there you have it, the Dell XPS 13 Plus. To find out more, check out the link in the description box below, and I'll see you next time.